Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to mark logos and serial numbers on PVC using our dual laser marking machine. Step 1. Turn the emergency stop switch and power on the machine. Step 2. Insert the USB drive with your logo file. Open the marking software and import the logo. Step 3. Set the logo size and position on the workspace. Adjust parameters like speed, power. Step 4. Use the serial number tool to generate automatic sequences. Set font size and spacing, then adjust parameters for PVC. Step 5. Select the Blu-ray light source, optimized for PVC marking dot. Place your PVC part on the table. Press Start to begin marking. Here's the result: clean,